Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to duet on TikTok. So why might you want to duet on TikTok? Say you've seen a video that you really like and you want to record your reaction. What duetting does is it stitches your video of your reaction with the original video together and you can post it to your page. So how do you duet on TikTok? You go ahead and press that arrow under the comment icon. And then in the second half, you see the duet option with the two faces. You click on that. And then there's me, hello. You can record your reaction by pressing the record button. So as you can see, it records along with the video. And then you press the check mark when you're done. And then you press next, and then you can put a caption, and as you can see, it automatically tags them, which is always super important on TikTok. Always tag your creators, and then you press post. And then you're all set. I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like and subscribe to this channel. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.